Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Vellabox. Vellabox is a candle company that sends you candles monthly. They have changed up their box and stuff, but as far as I can tell, they're pretty much the same. You get these wonderful natural candles, and you have a choice when you sign up. You either get a 4-ounce candle for $10 plus $3 shipping, an 8-ounce candle for $20 with $3 shipping, or you can get both for $30 and free shipping. So this one, you guys, I don't even know what month this is from because this was sitting in my P.O. box forever. The best way to find out what we really need is to get rid of what we don't. Marie Kondo. I love Marie Kondo. I totally did my whole house. Okay, so this month, let's see. We have, oh, and there's a little extra in here. This is, what is this? It's like a little loofah thing. Hang on, let me get my card. Oh yeah, over the past few months, we've been in the process of rebranding to a more natural look and artisan style. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, Kin & Care, that's the company this month. So each month they have candles from a different company, which I think is pretty cool. And I do have, oh, you can't even see my candles anymore. They're way up there. I do have several that I've gotten from Vellabox, and they've all been really wonderful. I just love them. Okay, so these ones, we have Fern Tabacco and Sugar Huckleberry. So the Sugar Huckleberry is the little one, and I've actually had this in my house. I've been burning it. It smells really good. This one doesn't have as strong of a scent. I notice it, you know, when like you leave the room and then you come back in and you're like, oh, it smells kind of berry-licious in here. But it's not super strong. So this would be good for like people who don't like those overpowering types of candles. And then this one, Fern Tabacco, which I have not yet burned, but it does seem to have a much stronger scent. Rich forest greens with a sweet and woody finish. So anyway, I'm really excited about both of these. I love the jars that they come in. You could totally reuse these after you've burned the candle down. And they always come in these little bags, which I think are really cute. And again, you could totally repurpose these. Let me read about this little loofah thing. Loofah kitchen sponge. Oh, it's for the kitchen. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. A zero-waste, eco-friendly alternative. Yeah, you just use it in place of a regular sponge. When time to dispose, the natural material will biodegrade quickly, and you can compost them. Oh, that's interesting. How cool. I love that idea. So you can see it's just a fun, really wonderful little subscription where you get fantastic candles from companies that you may not have normally come across, you know, which I think is great because these are all from like smallish companies. So if you are a candle lover, I would recommend it. I've been getting these boxes off and on for several months now, and I love them. They're all wonderful. So I will leave all of the information in the description box. You guys can check it out there. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!